It's the same person.
Okay, sawa. Where have you reached in chemistry in your school?
We were starting from 2 work.
Or you had to start from 2 work?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone informed to here? Chemistry. Janice, where are you?
We have just finished salts.
You just finished salts.
Yeah.
You did not start effects of electric current on substances.
We did that one also.
You did that one also?
Yeah.
Then you did not just finish salt. Okay, did you get carbon and its compound?
Yeah.
Then you are done with chemistry from 2. Yeah. For anybody from 3 here? Anyone from 3 here? Hakuna mtu ako form 3? Well, now, in the meantime, when we shall be revising from 1 work, I will be combining you. Particularly the point when I will be revising from 2 work, I will start revising from 1 work differently. So, there are 2 ways we can revise. Either we go as per past papers, or we go of which we will. Well, what's your opinion, Reiken? Reiken, what's your opinion? Yes. It's well. Find some past papers here. When we shall be revising doing 1, 2, 1, 2. So let me pick a paper, then we go through it. But at some point we will be doing it topically. So let me pick a past paper, then we do it. Yes, so let me share the screen. So that's a past paper to answer. But let me share the screen with you. Confirm you can see my screen. Those who are following me live on the other side, keep following. I'll be multitasking today. I'm dealing with coping with lessons, and we are only 6 and 9 in number, so this is what we are going to do. The first 3 questions are: define the term chemistry, list 4 branches of chemistry, name 3 main branches of science. So we shall be moving very fast until the paper ends, because remember, immediately we also have physics. So I will give you a minute or 2. You go through it, then you will help me answer them very fast. So your minute starts now. Those who are following me live there, I'm glad I did not take the chance to welcome you to our lessons, but you allow me to use this time right now. Welcome to Ambassador Foundation lessons, which is always there at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. daily, chemistry and physics. Some are exploration, some will require me to write on the board. There are very many things that we shall be doing. Mine is to encourage you to keep following me every day. So, in case you have any comment concerning my audibility, you can confirm whether it is well audible, you can confirm whether you can hear me, you can confirm whether when I will be writing on the board, whether I will be okay. Yeah, so otherwise you feel welcome. Let's keep on discussing. Question 1. Define the term chemistry. Who will do it for us? Reagan?
It's the study of matter and the changes it undergoes.
Kuna kitu meruka kidogo. Rifato kumbe it was not you nilikuwa namfunza. Define the term chemistry. Say something? Okay, Janice?
Chemistry is the study of the structure, properties, and composition of matter, and the changes as matter undergoes.
Good. You studied the structure, the properties, the composition, and the changes that matter undergoes. List 4 branches of chemistry. Somebody? List 4 branches of chemistry.
Organic chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry,
Nice.
physical chemistry.
Yeah. Those are how many? Those are 4. Organic, inorganic, analytical, and physical chemistry. Great. Name 3 main branches of science. Who can answer that? Name 3 main branches of science. In fact, we are dealing with each branch right now. Yes, Munga?
Chemistry, physics, and biology.
Good. Chemistry, physics, and biology. So that when you get to the various branches, that is in physics, it has its own branches. You get to chemistry, it has its own branches. You get to biology, it has its own branches. Great. There are some definition of terms here: mixture, compound, elements, and atom. Yeah, so a minute or your minute to answer these questions. Murko unaingia ukitoka, Eunice Bida unaingia ukitoka. Who wants to try? Oh, someone is saying network problem. Let's go. Pick your term to will define from the mixture, compound, elements, and atom. Janice, pick yours.
Mixture. Mixtures are combination of two or more substances in which each substance contains its own chemical property.
Each substance maintains its chemical properties, or the other way you can say is in which the substance can be separated by by physical means like winnowing, like magnesium. Sawa. Compound, we'll define for us the term compound. And let's do it very fast. Kina Mungai, Miguel Nyakwara, let's do it very fast. Ndaka tuende. Nyakwara, can you define for us the term compound?
A pure substance consisting of 12 elements that are chemically combined.
That are chemically combined. Good. For example, can you give us an example of
Water.
Yeah, water is a compound of what and what?
Oxygen and hydrogen.
Oxygen and hydrogen. Element. Who will find for us the element? Can I pick somebody? Janice.
An element are like pure substances that cannot be broken down into simpler
Similar by chemical means. Who will find the term atom? Who will find the term atom? Somebody? Who addressed the hand? Oh, Michelle is saying that atom is the smallest particle of an element. That's what? That it can exist independently. Well, let me take you through them very fast. Online viewers. You know, kuna watu wananifuatilia live on YouTube, so I must be considerate all of them. So get your pen and write the following. There are many terms that we must be able to get them clearly. You know, mostly what when they mix these things. Hawajui kakari ni wapi. The place I am, it is very hot and sunny. I don't know where you are. Munga wewe uko upande gani? Munga, where are you in this country? Now, let's start with element. Elements are pure substances which cannot be split into simpler substances by chemical means. That's an element. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical change. Molecule is defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound which can exist separately. A compound is a pure substance made up of two or more combined. For example, sodium chloride, calcium nitride, calcium oxide, all those. Yes. Nani ana swali before tuendelee? Next question. State the properties of solid liquids. Then question 4 is a non-conductor, and question 5 we get to the part of the drugs. I think the requirement of the choosing in one of my online videos. So what are we saying? Kila mtu naona screen yangu. Can you see my screen, Jagwara? Sawa.
Yes.
I'm assigning people questions. Before I assign, who will give us the two properties of solid, then liquid, then who will define for us conductor, and who will define for us the term drug. Who will do it? We have Regan. Regan, who would you again?
Properties of solid.
Okay. Janice, who would you again?
What is a non-conductor?
Okay. Let's Riru, who would you again?
A drug.
Drag. Let's go. Who's ready? Monga, let's go.
State two properties of solid. A solid has definite mass. It has definite shape.
Nice. Definite mass, definite shape. Indefinite what? Kuna maanisha hiyo? Umeongelea tu definite mass, definite shape.
For solid, all of them are definite.
The three of them. Okay. Sawa. Janice? Aya, Munga twende ya liquid.
It has a indefinite shape.
Indefinite shape, Good one.
It has particles that are.
It has?
It has particles
Mm-hmm.
that are not closely packed together.
Okay. Particles not closely packed together, so use shape, mass, and volume. Bevel.
Definite mass and definite volume.
It has a definite mass because we can get the mass, and it has a definite volume because we can get the volume of a liquid. What we don't have is the shape. Whoever was supposed to define a non-conductor, who was that? Take us through.
Other conductors are materials that allow the flow of electric current from its activities.
Nice. Another name for non-conductor?
Insulator.
Yeah, it's called insulator. We'll define drag. So a non-conductor does not allow electric current to pass through. The one that allows to pass through is called a conductor. A drag. Who was to do it?
A drug is a natural or man-made substance that when taken into the body, it changes its normal function.
Yes. It affects your body normal functions. It is a natural or manufactured. Any substance which is natural or manufactured, which when taken, that's what affects your normal body functions. Great. So let's move on. Drug abuse, then 3 commonly abused drugs. So somebody will define for us drug abuse, Mugine will define us, will give us examples. Okay, all of us will give at least one example of commonly abused drugs. Miguel?
Indiscriminate of access to drugs. It is not meant.
Madam Ali?
Indiscriminate use of drugs for purposes it is not meant for.
When you use a drug for a purpose not meant for, that is a drug abuse. Good. Kila mtu anipatie example of a drug that is commonly abused. Tuanze na Eunice, Linda. Alcohol, Michelle Mungai. Bank, Bwana Michelle kanitoka, wawacha kutaipa. Janice Mumbi. Cat. Beverly is not there to respond, to defend herself. Let me go to Mikael Nyakwara. Another drug.
Man drugs.
Man drugs, good. Another.
Tobacco.
Tobacco. Munga. Nani amesema nini? Nimeita Munga ataongea. Mira. And the many others like cocaine, hizo vitu zote. So my question is, can we categorize from the drugs we have just given? Can someone give me soft drugs and hard drugs? An example of a soft drug and an example of a hard drug. Yes, huyo mwenye amelezi mkono.
An example of a hard drug is cocaine and banky.
Yeah,
And
those are hard,
a
yeah,
soft
true.
one.
Drugs, yeah.
And an example of a soft drug is tobacco and alcohol.
Tobacco and alcohol. Nice. Cocaine, ongeza ya hard drugs. You ikae upande hard drugs. Cat, soft drugs. Yes. No, I mentioned 3 negative effects of prolonged use of cat. Mtaniambia, ukitumia miraa sana, watu lape. Ni gani tujaza tujibu swali?
There's discoloration of body parts such as the teeth.
Discoloration of body parts such as what? Teeth, eh?
Then there's addiction
We have addiction.
and there's deterioration of the health of the
Good. And deterioration of the hair. So what's up? Good. I mentioned 3 roles played by chemistry in the society. I think we mentioned this. But I need 3 people randomly to give us the roles played by chemistry in the society. Hakuna? Yes? Janice?
Manufacture of cheaper alternative books such as nylon, polyester, and texture. Manufacture of plastics for clothing, and manufacture of detergents.
And manufacture of detergents. Good. Nice. List 3 scientific skills that can be acquired when performing chemistry experiments. List 5 laboratory safety rules. Let me pick now. I think that enough time is enough. List 3 careers one can join after studying chemistry. Who will answer that? Dida, ni gani utajibu? Nyagwara, chupa yako?
career.
Yes.
Teaching, medicine, chemical engineering.
Yes, and many others. Good. Janice?
Let's see what the paper.
Pardon? The careers one can enjoy after studying chemistry. Sawa sawa. Ameongelea medicine, pharmacy, education. So go to question 9.
Yeah?
Can you ask question 9?
Yeah.
Yes.
List 3 scientific skills that can be acquired when performing chemistry experiments. Solving skills.
Pardon?
That's how analysis and interpretation. Yeah.
First of all, when you are doing an experiment, you are supposed to make observation. So the skill you acquire is observation skills. Number 2, after observing, you must record what you have observed. Recording skills. Sawa.
Yeah.
After you have recorded your whatever the findings you found, you analyze. Sawa.
Yeah.
So you get the skills of analysis. Now I'm analyzing skills. Then, of course, from there now you can make conclusion. But those are the main skills. The practical laboratory physics, chemistry, that is.
Okay.
Yeah. So list 5 laboratory safety rules. This one kila mtu asema yake tukisonga mbele. Reagan. Reagan is sleeping. Janice.
Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety goggles and lab coats.
Okay, you wear a lab coat, wear your safety goggles, especially when you are supposed to deal with very reactive experiments. Areta?
Label all chemicals to avoid confusion.
Good. You label to avoid confusion. Michelle, Mungai? Beverly?
Do not carry any foodstuff to the laboratory.
Do not carry any foodstuff to the laboratory. Nice. Or do not eat or test anything while in the lab. Sawa. Eunice?
Always hold testing and monitoring using a testing folder.
Yeah, when holding a test tube or any reaction in a boiling tube, you make sure it is not facing to you or facing to somebody else. Let it be facing to somewhere where there is no one there. And very many other rules which are there in the lab. Aya, kuna swali hapo. List 3 apparatus that are used to measure accurate volumes. Accurate volumes. Who can set all of them? For measuring accurate, Michelle is saying pipette, purette, volumetric flask. It's well. Even a syringe can also be used to measure accurate volumes. What about the ones used to measure exact volumes? Somebody? Exact volumes? Can you hear me? Which apparatus is used to measure exact volumes? huyu ajui. Munga? Munga? Hey. Janice?
I didn't like say much, but now graduated, realized that I'm not sure.
Exact doesn't mean that one. Exact means it means the one that it can measure a given volume. Kama ni 10, ni 10. It cannot measure anything else. An example is pipette. But pipette only measures 25 ml. It cannot measure anything else apart from 25. Sawa.
Yeah.
So that is exact. The other one is a volumetric flask. Sawa.
Yeah.
Aye. Wacha ndio wape tuongeze maswali zingine. Hapa kuna I want you to make it personal. Draw and give the use of the following apparatus in the chemistry laboratory. Let me just challenge you. You have a very long holiday actually. So one of the days, just decide na useme leo nataka ni deal na all the apparatus which are used in chemistry laboratory. Form 1, you have been provided like 30 something. Even if you're in Form 1, omba mtu wa Form 2 KLB Book 2 chemistry. All the diagrams given, all the preparations given, there must be an apparatus mentioned there. And draw the apparatus, name its use. Just take, it's something that happens once and for all. So, one of these 5 days, yani mpaka nikikwambia, can you draw for me a distal funnel, a separating funnel, a dropping funnel, draw for me this, you know all of them. Can we make it a personal responsibility? Yes? Yeah. Let's make it a personal responsibility. You've been given a diagram here of a Bunsen burner. Name the parts labeled A, B, C, E, and F. So I'm giving you, for those I'm teaching 5 Google Meet, I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. The name of the part. Online people who you are following me from YouTube, I can see we have some of you who are with us. What I can say is, when it comes to Bunsen burner, ensure you know the diagram of a Bunsen burner itself, leave alone the flame. I know most times we are focused on the flame, the 2 types of flames. I mean, the Bunsen burner itself. How is it like? Can we proceed? Let's proceed. A, who will name Toto's birds? A, B, C, up to F. Tutaanza na nani sasa? Tuanze na somebody raise the hand as well now. Okay, Janice. Umesema F ni nini? Gas tube, just say gas tube.
Okay.
E umesema? E. Umesema nini nini? Pardon?
E or E?
E for elephant.
I'm not sure. But it's you.
Munga unataka kusema nini?
Chimney.
Yeah, E is chimney. D, umesema nini? Mwenye alikuwa anajibu chakula? Oh no, Chinese practice.
Color.
Yes?
Color.
Cola. What is the role of a cola?
To regulate the amount of air that's entering.
Yes, to regulate the amount of air getting into the chimney. Umesema C ni nini?
Airway.
C is airway. Roho yake?
Balance the amount of air entering.
It allows air to get into the chimney. Good. Sawa. A, okay, B, what's the name of B? Janice? B is barrel.
Yeah.
B.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay. Eunice?
Yes.
Is jade. Sawa. It is the one that allows the laboratory gas to get in and mixes with the air in the chimney. Then we have A. What is the name of A?
Base.
The base. How is A adapted to its function? How is the base of a Bunsen burner adapted to its function?
Supports the Bunsen.
Mazama?
It supports the Bunsen.
Yes. Yes. It supports the Bunsen burner. That's the function part. Mimi nimeuliza swali gani? How is it adapted to its function? Because it brings the stability of the Bunsen burner.
Okay.
It is heavy, that's one, and it has a large base area to bring about the stability of the Bunsen burner. Sawa sawa. Aya. Kuna swali kwa hapa. A Bunsen burner can produce two types of flames under different conditions. Name, amesema name the two types of flames produced by a Bunsen burner. Give three differences between the two flames in one above. Who will do it for us? Name the two types of flames produced by a Bunsen burner. You mean none of you knows the two types of flames produced by a Bunsen burner? Yes, Ruiru? Yes, luminous and non-luminous. Sawa sawa. Luminous and non-luminous. Give three differences between the two flames in one graph. Okay, simply give me characteristics of luminous flame and for the non-luminous flame. Tutakuwa tumejibu swali. Tuanze na gani? Munga?
Luminous flame produces a lot of light, while non-luminous produces little light.
Next difference, we are still on Munga.
Luminous flame is big and it's not steady, while non-luminous is small and steady.
Sure. Use the word short. Long and wavy, short and steady.
And the third one,
Yes.
The luminous flame is loud, but the non-luminous flame is not loud.
Okay, it's true. Lakini nataka tu nikujenge tu kidogo. One burns quietly, the other one burns with roaring sound. Sawa sawa. Umeshika point? Munga umeshika point yangu?
Yes.
Nice. We are supposed to have physics now. How many of you are supposed to have a physics lesson with me? I have two options which we can decide. Either we continue with chemistry mpaka 4, then tomorrow tuanze physics mpaka 4. Any gani? Or we change? Let's agree very fast. Yeah, let's continue with chemistry. Tomorrow we shall pick physics for 2 hours. Kama kuna mtu afanye physics kesho, atulie. Tumeelewana Janice, Michelle, Aretha, Munga, Miguel, Eunice and Pepe Fali?
Yeah.
Sawa. Well, in fact, let's proceed. Yes, Munga?
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. So let's look at this other question. There is a question here. Draw and label the most suitable Bunsen burner flame preferred for heating in the laboratory. If you have to draw that question or that type of Bunsen burner flame, I'm sure you draw non-luminous. Why? The question is asking the one that is preferred for heating in the laboratory. So it is non-luminous because of two reasons. One, it is the hottest flame. Two, it does not produce soot. Yes. Question 14. Give the most suitable method of separating the following mixtures: water and kerosene and water, colored pigments, iodine from a mixture, alpha powder. Good. I think you can see. Tuanze na who is ready? Michelle? Michelle, niambie. Oh, Michelle, you raised your hand. Then unfortunately, I was taka kuongea. Water from ethanol. How do we separate it? Janice? Fractional distillation. Reason? They have different particulars boiling point, yet they are miscible. Great. Kerosene from water. Ruiru? Pardon?
Separating funnel.
Nice, separating funnel. Colored pigments. Miguel. Miguel, unasemaje? Brad, hebu kama na flash, kuna mapicha nataka uniprintie wewe. Kuna picha nataka uniprintie. Kama na flash. Color pigments, Jajanis. Yes, Mayamaris mkono.
Chromatograph.
Paper chromatogram. So, let's answer this particular question. So what do you give the most suitable method chromatography. Paper used is paper chromatogram. What about iodine and a mixture of sand and iron films?
Pigments.
sublimation because one of them undergoes sublimation. Ion findings from sulfur border, somebody? Who will read? I'm trying to give you. I want us to move to the next question. Munga, are you sure? You don't know how we can separate them? Aya, wacha niulize Bafali. Bafali. Yo, use a magnet. You go out and you make a type of chip. Use a magnet. Aya, kuna swali iko hapo. Ndawapea 1 minute as I'm transferring some. Kuna mapicha nataka kuiprint. So, work on that. I'm just giving a minute. Tadi watu waona mwende mkuja na mrudi. Tuendelee. Brian, shika. Kuna folder nimeandika last what nimeandika last folder, alafu ingine nimeandika Sunday. Ya last folder una print picha moja tu. Sasa ndi una print kulingana na venye iko, except wasichana wako kwa balcony juu una print moja. Okay. Name a solvent. Name a possible organic solvent you can use for this experiment. The chromatograph below shows the constituents of a flour extract using an organic solvent. What is the organic solvent? Somebody? Question 2, as someone is getting ready for the same. State 2 properties that make the red pigments to move the farthest distance from M. Munga jibu romanon. Real. Can you hear me, Munga?
Yes.
Na use one kujibu kwa nini? Ama hiyo hujaisikia?
Which one?
The one I'm asking about. Si nimekuita 3 times nikikuuliza swali. Name a possible organic solvent that you can use for this experiment. Umesemaje?
Ethanol.
Yeah, you can use ethanol or propanol, but you are keeping quiet when I'm asking a question. State 2 properties that makes the red pigment to move the farthest distance from M. Talk of the solubility. One is the solubility of the red pigment. 2 is the absorbent nature of M. How absorbent it is. Because how soluble it is. Highly soluble, it will move a further distance. Highly absorbent, it will move a shorter distance. When you're told to indicate the solvent front, pick a point in the book mbele huku. Beyond the red pigment, that is the solvent front. Tuko pamoja? Hapo kuna swali ingine very simple. Organic, you are supposed to give the chemical symbol of the following elements: copper, zinc, silver, aluminium, and mercury. You know how many minutes? More so watu wa form 1. Watu wa form 2, they know what they're doing. They got to support now. By the way, swali ni ya Munga. Yes, Munga.
Write down the chemical symbol of the following elements. For copper is Cu. For zinc is Zn. For silver is Ag.
Silver umesema nini?
Ag. For aluminium is Al. And for mercury is Hg.
Pardon?
Hg.
Good. Okay, unakutananga na wawacha kudivert kidogo. Unakutananga na Hg kwa wapi? For physics, niambie wapi?
Thermometer, and when you are asked for atmospheric pressure.
Nice. Great. There is a diagram which has been poorly drawn because of two reasons. Ndio ushinde kuona vizuri, ushinde identify the mistake. Identify 3 mistakes. I want to give you a minute. Identify 3 mistakes. Copper Cu. Hilda, isn't Hilda ama okay, amesema copper ni Cu well. Ingine ni wewe nitakwambia kwa kamera. Tena wale gani? Nataka kumalizia.
No.
Sema lakini I missed your call by the way.
Nataka kazi bana. Mimi sasa nataka hizo. Mimi nataka hizo vitu bana, na wewe utaki bana kunipatia vitu lazima
nikupe after this.
Please.
Ni masala ya
hiki kitu bana umepiga mzee.
Kuna watu hapo online kidogo wanafunza kama 6. But namalizia by 4. Nikupe hata siku hapa by 5 ndio hizi. Hata nimeiweka kando, nimeita passport photos. Siku hapa ndaondoa tu because ndaondoa tu sasa kina madam Kuru niondoe ya huyu si wako huyu ni wako huyu. Huyu pia ni wako, anaitwa Mwende, unamjua
Judy si wangu.
Huyu si by the way, huyu si wako. Huyu nilikuwa na mapla ya green card. Sawa.
Anajifunza setting bana. Kitu tutaongeza hapa ni writing na
Kenya nitakabana. Nataka nikuje niambishe kuja hapa. Tena kuna bali fulani nimeona
mimi kwamba hivi
kubwa. Kameenda hivi mpaka mwisho. Hiyo bado piko pata hiyo. I think that it cost like that something. I saw that something under.
Sio Nairobi. Sio Limuru.
Nilimuru. Ama niende pesa.
Lakini ukipita Nairobi tu utapata.
Hiyo na flash.
Sasa nataka kuchirekod.
Patio.
Wewe piga kwa mseme. Mimi niko ofisi iko vitu naangalia.
Nitakuja kwa ofisi yako. Sawa.
Yes.
What's the mistake there? The first mistake. Wacha ni hata ya pili, mistake ya pili pia nimeona. Munga, umeona mistake gani?
The water in and water out correctly.
Good. That's the first one. Ya pili?
The thermometer has been placed set too much.
It should not touch the liquid. It should only measure the temperature of the steam or the vapor up there. Sioni ya tatu. I love Michelle Mungai. Amefikiria venye nilikuwa nafikiria. There is no source of heat. Unaona hapa? It needs a source of heat from here. Great. Can you clap for Michelle Mungai? Michelle, umepiga makofi? Hawataka kupigia mtu makofi. Kananu? Let me talk to somebody by the name Kananu. Kananu, please talk to me. Talk back to me. Nataka kuongea na wewe. Can you hear me? Kananu? We are doing chemistry. I know you are new, so we are doing chemistry. Tomorrow we will do physics the whole day from 2 mpaka 4. Haya. Tuendelee. I've loved how Michelle give the answer. So, what method will the students use to test the purity of distillate obtained? Distillate obtained. What method will the students use to test the purity of distillate? How do we test the purity of liquids? Can I answer you that one? What method would the student use to test the purity of the distillate obtained? Munga?
They can heat it and measure the temperature. If the heating curve, if the point rate boils is high, it's pure.
Then let's say test. Okay, before say kuna kitu nataka kusema. Okay, let me say test or the boiling point. Measuring the boiling point. Sawa. Or use of a paper chromatography. So naona Michelle ameandika. Michelle wewe uko sawa. What is the purpose of the thermometer? Somebody. By the way, I want us to work with the chat box. Ndio itakuwa rahisi. Some of us we fear talking. What method would the students? No. What is the purpose of the thermometer? Brian. Baca dia berapa? Baca dia berapa? Apa nanti? Jawab nanti. Oh,
How can you pay again?
oh, betul kan? Okey kan? Jangan okey okey. Ai, ngai nasi kamu subuh. What is the purpose of the thermometer? You kwani mtaki kunijibu?
Sasa kinachofanya ni kutafuta email.
Good. To measure the temperature at which one of the fractions separates out. Thank you. Kuna table you can give three difference between chemical changes and physical changes. Hii ni ya Mungu. You answered me last time that question. I remember kabisa ulinijibu hiyo swali and you answered very well. Will you still answer this time again? Reagan, ama uliza how?
For chemical changes, a new substance is produced, and for physical changes, there's no new substance which is produced. For chemical,
One, two.
for chemical changes, there's change in mass, while for physical, there's no change in mass.
Continue.
For chemical, there's a new substance is produced, while for physical, and there's no new substance which is produced. Don't remember the time.
Net heat change is accompanied with chemical changes, but with physical there is no net heat change. So what's up?
Yes.
Good. That's fine. Now there's a question there. This is called a heating curve. Starting from when it is a solid, it melted at BC, it evaporated or changes state to vapor at DE. So between A to B, which solid is this? We've not been given the name of the solid, but let's talk of the solid. The solid will gain heat, gain a lot of energy, and the particles vibrate, the atoms vibrate. Between BC, the temperature remains constant as the solid melt. When you ask why does the temperature remain constant, you say because the heat supply is used to change the state. Between C and D is the liquid state, whereby the temperature of the liquid increases as the liquid particles, molecules, atoms gains heat and they vibrate more. Between D and E, there is a change of what? State from liquid to a gas. And also the temperature remains constant. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Nice. Somebody was telling me from the side of the YouTube that I'm skilled, like if I am scared, thank you. I'm glad because that. Yeah. Proceed. Kuna Hizi sote nimeelezea. Let me explain this question. Why boiling tube is usually more suitable for boiling liquid than a test tube? Hey, I want to get your answer also. Why boiling tube is usually more suitable for boiling liquids than a test tube? I have one reason, unless you give me another reason. I have seen that some of you can think so well, Kina Michelle. Let me ask my friend from the YouTube who is following me. Why do we use boiling tubes? Or why is it more convenient to boil liquid using boiling tube than a test tube? Yet, the two looks like each other. By the way, chemistry is going on right now, KCC. But they will pass. Heidi, I'm waiting for your reply. My friend is saying, I think because boiling tube is structured to withstand heat unlike the test tube. Nice. Okay, I will come to that. Let me see what Michelle is reasoning out. Yani kitu tu Michelle umekosea ni kidogo sana. Boiling tube is larger than a test tube and therefore provide a large area for boiling of the liquids, unlike the test tube, which when it boils, it will spat out. If now we are boiling a given amount of liquid, mwingine test tube, mwingine boiling tube, while boiling tube, it will not spat out. Lakini a test tube, it will get out. Are you getting me, Michelle? And Reagan and Beverly. Nice. It's either we explain, or we have explained, or we give 2 points. Are we together? Nice. Also, kuna point ya by the way, kuna mtu ananifollow. There's some guys following me. I'm also live on YouTube. There's somebody who is saying that boiling tube can stand heat unlike the test tube. I wanted to say she's correct. Why? Ukienda shule yako, shika test tube na boiling tube. Boiling tube is thick, thicker than the test tube. So even when we were in the lab, in most cases, boiling tubes haipasuki, test tubes inapasuka. Mwanafunzi anarudi inafika mahali unasikia imepasuka. Unamwambia bring your name here. You will pay for this. Aya, kuna swali ingine pia inataka answering kama hiyo. Standard view because our purpose ni verify stuff pole pole. Round bottom flask is used for fractional distillation and not flat. Iko direct inapatikana kwa physics na kwa chemistry. Round bottom for fractional distillation and not flat bottom flask. And if you only have flat bottom flask, there is something that you need to do so that you can still use it. I'm waiting for your reply. Are you still following me, Heidi? Heidi, tomorrow you look for 2 more people to at least go at 10 kwa group. Sawa? Tunakutafutia watu ndio usipake na peke yako. Acha nisikie Michelle amesema nini. Good. Uniform heat distribution. Right, get that? Uniform heat distribution. Now my question is, what if we only have flat bottom flask? Tutafanya aje? Yeah, kuna mtu hapa anataka. In case we only have a flat bottom flask, what are we supposed to introduce? Heidi, we always have these lessons from 2 to 4 daily. So. If you have had midweek, yes. Every day from 2 back to 4, we are here. Yes. Now, if you have to use a flat bottom flask, we will use a wire case. Wire case for uniform heat distribution. Great. Thank you. That's okay. We use a wire case in case we are supposed to use a flat bottom flask. We use a wire case. Hapo kuna swali? Wangu wa YouTube. Wacha nisome direct. We are revising a paper. There's a chemistry paper from 1 we are revising. So if you follow up from the beginning, you will get us. Now we have this here. Kuna swali liko hapa nataka nitoe kwa ubao.
Unatuma vitu sio rahisi ndio.
Yes. What were I don't know whether you can see my screen. Munga, can you see what I've drawn on the board? Is it visible?
I can only see what you share.
I mean, ukiangalia hapo kwangu like my video nimeandika pasta for can you see it?
Yes.
Now you can enlarge it from your side. You can see. So kuna hiyo diagram ndio kwa screen iko hapa. We're asking when glass tube is held in a noisy Bunsen burner, as shown in this diagram, where camera angalia pale, a small flame appears at the end of the glass tube. Ukichukua kaka tube uiwekelea hapa, angalia iko na 3 parts, iko na hii part ya kwanza, ya pili, ya tatu. Ukichukua tube uiwekelea hapa, then another flame will be produced. So in the flame, and we have a flame there. So the question is, explain what's going on there. Let me explain. This tube has been inserted by unburned gases. Upper the region of unburned gases. So the unburned gases are now burning here. Lakini ukichukua hii tube na weke hapa, you will not get it. That's the explanation. Right together. Michelle, tuko pamoja. Great. And that is where the paper ends. That paper ends there. The guys, when you are online, please text me via this number. I send you this paper. Nataka hiyo karatasi na kutumia 0740 61925. I send the paper so that you can also follow up. At least you get the paper. You can even read on your site. For those people who are close to Limuru, you can come to Limuru in our studios. We print for you a paper. You go and do it, especially those who are following me from the YouTube. Otherwise, I don't have anything to say. Munga, Rake, and Beverly and Michelle, can we meet tomorrow at 2 for physics? Na kama ufanye physics, tukutane the other day. Sawa sawa? Thank you. Alafu, I will do